How to set up the Pallure automatic hairbrush cleaner. You just received your Pallure automatic hairbrush cleaner and you want to go ahead and get started. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to set it up so you can start cleaning your brushes in minutes. Whether you're a hairstylist or simply want cleaner brushes at home, this quick setup guide will walk you through everything step by step. And before we get started, let's take a look what's actually included when you buy your automatic hairbrush cleaner from Pallure. So first off, of course, you get your automatic hairbrush cleaner. So first off, of course, you get your automatic hairbrush cleaner. You get a power adapter, disinfectant bottle, cleaning brushes. Alright, so let's start by placing your automatic hairbrush cleaner on a flat, stable surface. We recommend using. Next, let's go ahead and start connecting the power adapter to the back of the machine and then plug it into a wall outlet. Make sure that the internal brush rod is properly installed and seated in its right position. Okay, now let's go ahead and test it out. You want to go ahead and power on the machine and verify that the brush rod, everything is running smoothly, as well as the disinfecting system. One way to show that everything is turned on and it is working is there should be a blue LED light coming from the disinfectant system mist, and then also you will see a blue LED light near the power source of the outlet. There should be one on top of it showing that it's ready to be turned on. If everything is operating correctly, you're ready to clean your first brush. To clean a brush, just simply insert and the automatic hairbrush cleaner will start removing the hair in just seconds. Hair and debris are removed and collected inside the machine. Now that you know how to use your automatic hairbrush cleaner, just make sure to keep up with maintenance to make sure it's performing at its best. We recommend a quick clean every 5 to 10 uses and a deeper clean weekly if you're using it daily in the salon. And that's it. Your Pallure automatic hairbrush cleaner is now set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.